The Sango-Ota to Idi-Iroko Expressway is a key link between Lagos and Ogun State, and further west into Benin Republic, making it a core part of the ECOWAS trade corridor. But over the past decade, this vital road became almost unusable. Broken sections, flash floods, daily gridlocks. It slowed down businesses and disrupted lives. Local manufacturers, traders, worshippers, heading to Canaanland, and even cross-border truckers all had one complaint: the road was a nightmare. After years of advocacy, the federal government, in collaboration with Ogun State, finally began a comprehensive rehabilitation, one that includes not just asphalt but also major flyovers at Oju-Ore and Canaanland. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Bolan. Today I am at the Sango-Ota road, and presently I am at Oju-Ore, where there is presently an ongoing construction of a flyover just right beside me. You can see, let me turn around, just behind me here. That is where the barricade is. I'll be showing you the progress. I was here some few months ago, but now I'm back to see the progress of work that has been done here presently. So I'll be showing you the progress, and from here I'll be moving to Winners to show you what is actually ongoing as well at Winners with the construction of the bridge there. So guys, follow me as I give you an update on the project happening right here at Oju-Ore and as well at Winners in Ota, Ogun State. This month I hope to cover more projects from Ogun State, and this is also part of the project I'll be covering right here in Ogun State. In my previous video, I was in Abeokuta, where I showed you what is presently ongoing, the MKO Abiola Stadium rehabilitation. But right today, I'm right here at Oju-Ore in Ota, and I'll be showing you the progress of the work being done here in Oju-Ore and in Ota, as well as along the expressway right here. The long-awaited transformation of the Oju-Ore axis on the Sango-Ota Idi-Iroko Expressway is steadily taking shape, as construction of the new flyover bridge is now visibly progressing with the installation of piers, a major milestone that marks the transition from foundation work to structural elevation. For years, Oju-Ore roundabout has been one of the most notorious traffic choke points in Ogun State. Located at a strategic junction connecting Ota to Yanoyesi, Aton, and onward to Idi-Iroko, the intersection has long been overwhelmed by commercial buses, traders, and cross-border traffic. The federal government decision to construct a flyover at Oju-Ore is part of a broader effort to rehabilitate the Sango-Ota Idi-Iroko corridor, an essential West African trade route that links Lagos to the Republic of Benin through Ogun State. So guys, I'm presently at Winners and this is actually where a lot of construction is actually taking place. Behind me, there's a massive construction of a bridge that is presently ongoing right here at Winners. I'll be showing you around and I'll be flying my drone to capture more details and give you the area footage of what is presently happening right here at Winners. So guys, stick around as I show you what is presently happening right here at Winners. This is the Winners Bridge, one of the newest flyover under construction on this busy federal highway, and as of May 2025, it's moving very fast. When I visited in November 2024, construction was just starting. But now, just 6 months later, this entire location looks almost unrecognizable. Massive piers have risen, beams are being laid, and casting work is progressing daily, compared to Oju-Ore, where work is still largely on piers. The Winners Bridge is being constructed as part of the rehabilitation and expansion of Sango-Ota Idi-Iroko Expressway by the federal government. It's designed to take traffic over the very busy junction in front of Canaanland, allowing local access traffic to use dedicated service lanes below. Why is the construction at this location moving so fast? Well, one reason could be the urgency created by what's happening just behind it, the Ark Auditorium inside Canaanland. Living Faith Church is constructing a 100,000 seat capacity worship center known as the Ark Auditorium. It's one of the largest religious buildings under construction anywhere in the world right now. As work on the Ark Auditorium progresses, tens of thousands of people will soon be commuting in and out of this area every Sunday and beyond. You can't have that kind of volume without matching infrastructure. From the construction ongoing here, it's suggesting that these are all part of synchronized push to have the bridge and auditorium ready within a close timeline. So while the bridge may be a federal government project, its relevance to the Ark is undeniable. They are like twins development, one serving spiritual movement, the other enabling physical access. Now, let me address the common misconception. Many people assume that the bridge is being built by the church. Understandably so, it's located right in front of Winners Chapel and it seems to benefit the church directly. But this isn't a church-funded project. The Winners Bridge is being constructed by the Federal Ministry of Works as part of the Sango-Ota Highway Rehabilitation Project. It is a federal initiative paid for by taxpayers, not church members. But make no mistake, this bridge will serve more than just churchgoers. This route connects Nigeria to the Republic of Benin. Thousands of vehicles pass through daily: trailers, tankers, buses and commuters. It links to industrial hubs like Agbara, Igbesa and Aton, and now also to the new Sokoto-Badagry Highway. So whether you are heading to work, school or Sunday service, this bridge will help you move better. Though no official deadline has been publicly declared, the speed of construction suggests that the Winners Bridge might be completed by 2026 or early 2027. Thanks for watching. If you found this update informative, hit the like button. Subscribe for more construction updates from across Nigeria. Share this video to help others stay informed. See you in my next video.